Nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruhu wa na'udzu billahi min syururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina. Man yahdihillahu fala mudhillalah wa man yudlil fala hadiyalah. Asyhadu anna la ilaha illallah wahdahu la syarikalah. Wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. A'udzu billahi minasy syaithanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. Welcome to my channel Qsharebd. Qsharebd is a channel of sharing knowledge in order to understand Quran. Today is our lesson number 17. In this lesson we will discuss how to identify different properties of any noun in a sentence. The properties are state of rafa, nos of jar, singular, dual or plural, object, predicate or genitives, and gender. Let's start. Muslimun. Muslimun is a word. Whenever we see this word, then we can understand certain things about this word. We understand that it is a Muslim. Muslimun means a Muslim. This a, the double dhamma means a. We also understand that it is a subject word. This word used as a subject. This double dhamma also indicate that it is a subject. We also understand that it is a male word, sound masculine number. And also you understand that it is a singular number. So this is the state of rafa. And these three things we understand whenever we see this noun Muslimun. These are the three pieces of information: the number, the gender, and the state. We can understand whenever we see this noun Muslimun. Now, if we want to make this noun dual, then we have to add ani, that we have learned already. Now we will get Muslimani. Now whenever we see this word Muslimani, then we understand that it is two Muslims. We also understand that it is a state of rafa, means it is also a subject, and it is a male and it is a dual noun. Now if we want to make this Muslimun plural, then we have to add una. Then we will get Muslimuna. Now whenever we see this word Muslimuna, we understand that it is more than two Muslim. It is a subject or rafa. It is a male and it is a plural number. These are the things that we can understand whenever we see this type of. These all are subject. Before we know that the Muslimun, the double dhamma indicate the state of rafa. But today we understood that the last marker ani and una also indicate a state of rafa. Muslimani, this is the state of rafa in dual, and Muslimuna, this is also a state of rafa in plural. Now if we want to see the object of this noun, then it will be Musliman, because this fatha indicate the object. This means also a Muslim, and also it indicates that it is the object, a nas of a state, and it is a male and it is a singular number as well. Now if we want to make this object dual, then we have to add ini, and we will get Muslimaini. Seeing this word Muslimaini, we understand that it is two Muslim and it is an object word, nas of a state. It is a male and it is a dual. Now if we want to make this word object word plural, then we have to add ina, then we will get Muslimina. This Muslimina means it is more than two Muslims. It is an object, nasab state. It is a male and it is a plural. This is the thing that we can understand. Now, if we want to make the things in zar state, then we have to use Muslimin. Muslimins means a Muslim. It is a singular number. It is a state of jar. Now, if we want to make this zar state into dual, then we have to add ini. Then we will get Muslimaini. The same thing in whatever we have to do in state of nasab. State of nasab, the dual is ini, Muslimaini, and state of zar also Muslimaini. The ini is the marker. The same thing for nasab and zar state. Now, if we want to make this zar state into plural, then we have to add ina. Now we will get Muslimina. The same thing that we have done in nasab, the plural is ina, Muslimina, and in the zar state also Muslimina. Is more than two Muslims. These are the things that we can understand whenever we see any. If we noticed that in singular there are three different endings: Muslimun, Musliman, and Muslimin. But in dual we have two endings. One is Muslimani and another is Muslimaini. Muslimaini in nasab and zat the same, Muslimaini, Muslimaini. That means in dual this word has two marker, two state. One is Muslimani, other is Muslimaini. That means this word can disclose only two state. One state, the marker is ani, and another state for both are nasab and zar is Muslimaini. Ini is the marker. For plural, also same, the two marker, Muslimuna, una, and Muslimaini. Muslimaini, Muslimaini. The state of nasab and zar the same. So this type of word in dual and plural, it shows only two state, and in singular it can show three state. It discloses three state. But all of this word can use in three state, but dual and plural it disclose only two state because it has only two marker. So all masculine dual and plural are diptotes number. Diptotes means it disclose two state. And also this is called sound masculine number. Sound masculine number in singular, the pronunciation is moon, man, min. That's why this is called sound masculine number. So in sound masculine number, the dual and plural has only two marker. That's why it is called diptotes number. But in singular state, this number is called triptotes number, triptotes word, because it's disclosed three states clearly: Muslimun, Musliman, and Muslimin. Now we will see some example. If you want to say he told all Muslims, then the he is here subject and the all Muslims is our object, and this is plural object. Then it will be Qala Muslimuna or Qala Muslimina. The Muslimuna is the plural in subject and Muslimina is the plural in object. As we need plural in object, so Qala Muslimina is the right sentence. Now if you want to say he told both the Muslim, then again this he is the subject and both the Muslims is the object dual. So our sentence will be Qala Muslimuna or Qala Muslimain. This is the dual, object dual, so this will be the correct. Again, if you want to say all Muslims told to two Muslims, Then in all Muslim is subject plural, and this two Muslim is object dual. Then it will be qala. Then our subject all Muslims, it will be Muslimuna, and then object dual Muslims, it will be Muslimaini. Qala Muslimuna Muslimaini. All Muslims told to two Muslims. This is the way that we can use this sentence in different cases. Now let's summarize the things in a table. We will draw a table like this. Now the same things, the Muslimun in a Rafa state, the singular will be Muslimun, dual will be Muslimani, and plural will be Muslimuna. This symbol indicate the male. Now what will be for female? For female Rafa singular, it will be Muslimatun. Pita marbota will be added. And female dual, it will be Muslimatani. And for plural, it will be Muslimatun. Atun. The Atun is the marker. The singular is Muslimatun and the plural is Muslimatun. There is a long vowel here. Muslimatun. What will be the nasab state? For male, it will be Musliman, and for dual object or nasab dual, it will be Muslimaini, and the plural will be Muslimina. Then what will be for female in case of nasab? Then female will be singular will be Muslimatan, and dual will be Muslimataini, and the plural will be Muslimatin. In nasab, here it is supposed to be Muslimatan, Atan. Like in Rafa, it is Muslimatun. So in nasab, it should be Muslimatan, but this is not the case. The marker is Atin. In nasab, the plural will be Muslimatin. So we need to remember this. And in the Zar state, for male, it will be Muslimin, Muslimaini, and Muslimina. Same as nasab. Dual Muslimaini, plural Muslimina. Zar also same, Muslimaini, Muslimina, because this is diptotes number in dual and plural. Now for female, the singular will be Muslimatin, dual will be Muslimataini, plural will be Muslimatin. The plural is same as nasab and zar, Muslimatin. So this table is important for us. We can see that both female and male, in case of dual and plural, it has two states to disclose. Dual, both female and male disclose two states. It has, for male, it has ani and ini, and for female we have ani and ini same. And plural also has, it shows two states. For male it shows una and ina, and for male it shows atun and atin. Atin both same in nasab and zar. So this is the things that we have summarized. Now we can say that all sound masculine and feminine in dual and plural are diptotes word. Just we need to remember these things. Now we will go for one more example. Kafirun. We will draw a table like this. Now we will fill up this table. For male will be Kafirun, dual will be Kafirani, plural will be Kafiruna, and for female it will be Kafiratun, Kafiratani, and Kafiratun, and for nasab male Kafiratan, Kafirataini, and Kafirina, And nasab will be kafiratan, kafirataini dual, and kafiratin plural. And in jar it will be kafirin, kafiraini, kafirina for male. And for female it will be kafiratin, kafirataini, and kafiratin. So this way we can use different words whenever it is. Now I will give you a blank table for your home exercise. If you have time, then you can do this exercise for muminun. You just fill up this table for muminun. And here one more table for you, the munafiqun. Just fill up this table for munafiqun, both for male and female. Then I believe it will be more clearer for you to understand the things, how it is work. This is the end of our lesson number 17. Thank you for watching.